We have with us Ms. Jaya Janardhan, co-founder and chief executive officer, Crayon Tech Solutions and independent director, Swasti Microfinance. It's a pleasure to have you here, ma'am.
Thank you.
The first thing that I would like to know is digital credit for MSMEs is booming, but loan defaults and mis-selling are rising too. Are fintechs moving too fast in the name of financial empowerment without fully understanding borrower risk?
If you ask me, yes, the need for the need for making sure that the products and the processes that are given to the MSMEs are are foolproof. They need to be there has to be an end-to-end implementation that needs to be done. But however, what happens is I'm sure MSME has the need to grow faster. The fintechs have the need to grow faster. They need to get funding, and most of the time we have realized, especially as part of the implementation process, that they do not understand the entire the gamut of or the ecosystem completely. So there are these bits and pieces which gets implemented, and then the organizations are left to fend for themselves. Okay, there is a need. While I understand that every fintech is needing to grow well and make more money and everything, but the need for them to be actually very closely understand the requirement, look at being compliant with the solutions, make data more secure, that's a need of the hour. Okay, and largely when we see frauds and you go back to a lot of these frauds, and you realize that the processes, there are lapses in the processes, leading to this whole issue of what you see as the big ticket size issues happening all the time. So for us, it's very important that when fintechs, when they see there's a market for everybody, all that one needs to do is to make sure that you actually look at the requirement, look at the needs, look at data, look at security, look at compliance, and make sure that the whole thing comes in together in holistic view and not in bits and pieces. And that's where today most of the fintechs, the products actually fall, and the trust is slowly getting out of the corporates, saying that is this the right product for me? And that's coming up in a big way.
Absolutely, Jay. Lastly, as we empower users with their own financial data, how do we also build awareness about the responsibilities that come with consent and data sharing?
Many a times you realize that in the name of digital literacy, we go and give them a lot of stuff on digital literacy. But what we don't realize is that, do they understand? The literacy is done in the right way? Have we taught people that do not share your data just for the sake? Do not click on the links below. So it's very important for them to understand. So literacy comes with a lot of responsibilities that we need to do for with the users, and that's the reason it's not just about digital literacy. It's about how you make sure people understand and use and also share data. So that's the only thing I always say, that when we do literacy, we have to make sure that people understand the need for them to part data very effectively, and at the same time the entire process also have to be very secure. That's the way we should trust our data.
Thank you so much for all your valuable answers, ma'am. It's a pleasure to have you.